Welcome to Pampered Chef Cooking with Rob. I'm Rob. Tonight we've got another new Pampered Chef product, and that is our Sizzle Skillet. It is a cast iron skillet. You can see the size of this. It's got very low lips. It makes it very much like a griddle, big griddle pan. And you can buy it separately, or you can buy it with a wood trivet. Trivet has a 3-year warranty. The cast iron is a lifetime warranty, just like all of our cast iron at Pampered Chef. So great. You can do everything with cast iron. It can go in the oven. It can go on the stove. It can go on the grill. It can go on the fire at the campground. It can do all those things. About the only place it can't go is in the microwave. So it can do all of those other things. And we're going to make tonight really simple. I'm just going to do some simple burgers on the Sizzle Skillet, but you could do all kinds of things. You could do your bacon and eggs. You could do your pancakes. You could do, this is going to be awesome for fajitas. You can see fajitas coming. I've made a couple videos on different ways to make fajitas, but you can see another one coming. Love fajitas. This would be a great skillet for that. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you how we're going to use our cast iron Sizzle Skillet. So I'm going to make smash burgers this evening. In order to do that, I've got to smash those burgers down. And our large serving spatula is going to do a great job of that. This is a very heavy duty, does not bend. It's got nice beveled edges. This is going to be great to smash our burgers down on our Sizzle Skillet. Welcome back. Our smash burgers are done off the cast iron Sizzle Skillet. Nice hot skillet. The burgers turned out great, nice and crispy. Caramelized some onions right next to it. Great skillet. You can see I've set it here on the trivet. The large serving spatula from Pampered Chef did a great job. And I've also got, to go with our burger, I've also got some of our new garden vegetable dip. And some carrots to go with that. So just letting that burger cool for just a second, but I'm ready to dig in and have a bite. We see a lot of people talk about, griddles, gas griddles that are out there. This cast iron Sizzle Skillet will do just as good as smashburgers as they will on there. They'll do fajitas, do all the kinds of things that you can do on those pieces. A lot cheaper. All right, let's dig in. Oh, Sorry, I've got a mouthful. The Pampered Chef seasoning salt comes through great. The burger's crispy on the edges. The onions are perfectly caramelized. Cheese is melted. Everything is great. You have got to get one of these Sizzle Skillets. I can't wait to do my next meal on the Sizzle Skillet. Be sure and share our video this evening. Like our video. And be sure and subscribe to our channel because we've got new products coming out all the time. Great new recipes all the time. Come back and join us here on Pampered Chef Cooking with Rob. Thanks again.